So, welcome to Maker Breaker. This will be our breakdown video. In the future, I'll be trying to release at least one teardown video and one update on the project. Also, as a just a minor thing, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I believe that's all the screws. Let's go ahead and see if it comes apart. I have to use a flathead. Sometimes I like to hide the screws underneath the feet. Nope, no screws there. Go ahead and use our flathead. That's something. Oh, okay. Okay, these are the keys right here. These right here. Now, I don't know if you can notice this. They correspond. See? This little piece of plastic right here, for example, when you go down like that, it comes right back up. And this is a circuit board. I've honestly never seen a circuit board this thin before. There's little, if I remember right, there's little, I don't know what's in there, but there's like a type of metal or something in there that completes the circuit where you press down on it like so and pushes the key back up. That was a really simple build, guys. That's a really simple teardown. I did not get anything useful out of this except maybe this piece of metal right here. Everything else I can't recycle at this time. In the future I will be able to do something with the hard plastic. But currently I can't do anything with it, so I'm going to have to throw it away. If y'all have any suggestions for what I could do with it, please feel free to let me know. Ooh, I like that just deal. It comes in 3 separate pieces. If there's anybody out there who can explain to me exactly how this works, feel free to tell me in the comments. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of this video. I think it was a good video for our first breakdown video. There will be another one coming out next Wednesday. We'll be working on a printer. Yeah, a printer. Well, until next time.